Built in 1966, the 11-storey Riverside House in central London is the headquarters of the UK's communication regulator Ofcom. The building has undergone a major renovation. This included installing 500 radiant passive multi-service chilled beams. Frenger's MSCBs provided cooling and LED lighting, as well as accommodating sprinklers in architecturally designed plug-and-play units. The MSCBs use radiant technology to increase cooling and provide high levels of thermal comfort while being more energy efficient. They could be tailored to fit in with any pre-existing or new buildings.